guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do another Christmas DIY using our bale here, some scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby, some red paint from Craftsmart, and we're just going to paint all around the edges, and we're going to leave the back that color, the natural state. So we're just going to take the paint and we're just going to paint around our bale, as you can see that I'm doing. Also, I want to announce the winner of my 100 subscriber giveaway, and it is Mona's Market. So Mona, if you hear this, give me reach out to me. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to actually cut out our paper by tracing our bale. And we're just going to go take your ink pen or your pencil and just go all the way around, just like this. Okay, and so now I have traced all the way around the bale. We're going to set it to the side. And we're going to take our scissors and cut it out. But before we cut it out, let's put our Mod Podge. Well, actually, you can actually cut it out first, then do your Mod Podge. I did it a little backwards. But just take your Mod Podge, spread it all around. Now, normally I do the technique where I let it dry and then I iron on my paper, but I decided I didn't feel like hooking up the iron and all that stuff today, because I wanted this just to be a quick, easy DIY. So I'm just spreading out the Mod Podge evenly all the way out, so there's no lumps, so you won't have any bubbles in your paper. Okay. So now we're going to take our paper and we're just going to cut it all out. Okay. All right, so we've cut out our paper, and just going to make sure our Mod Podge is even out on the board, and we're just going to line our paper up to our wooden cutout. And I was struggling there for a minute trying to get it evenly, and I'm like, I know I cut it out correctly. But that's the best thing about Mod Podge, you know, you have a chance to make any necessary adjustments. So I think I finally got it down. Well, I thought I did. Well, I think I finally have it down now. Okay, we're just going to smooth it out. Rub your hand across it. So now it is smooth. I'm not going to put any Mod Podge on top of it. Sometimes I think that would make the bubbles also. And so, there we go. And we're going to just trim off the edges. You may have some edges left on there. And I'm just going to take my little scissors here and just trim off the excess paper that is around the bale. Okay, so I'm cutting out the edges. I didn't have much, but just a little bit. And around this side here. And yeah, everything's look good. So now I'm just going to add my piece of jute twine back on there so I can hang this bell up. So I'm actually using the same jute twine that I took off of there. Just sticking it back through the hole. And tying another knot. There it goes. Have the knot in there. Okay, so now off to our second DIY. We're going to use this piece of board here from Dollar Tree to let it snow. Some ornament fillers, some jingle pieces, our white paint and plaster, our white chalk paint and plaster. And so now what we're going to do is just take this loose and we're going to get ready to actually paint our board with the plaster. Okay, set everything else to the side and we're just going to get ready to paint. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Okay, so we've painted that board and letting it dry. Now we're going to take this ocean blue from Martha Stewart. I think I got it from maybe Michael's a while back. It's a pretty blue. And we're going to paint our board. Well, paint our Let It Snow. We're going to paint it blue and we're going to paint the snowflake white. Okay, so the snowflake's going to stay white. Everything is going to be painted with this ocean blue. This blue is so pretty. And we're just going to paint it all over and we'll be back. Okay, so now we've painted our Let It Snow and it has dried. So now we're going to take these mini snowflakes, the silver ones, out of this packet and we're going to place them on our Let It Snow so we can give our Let It Snow some color, some life. You just take your hot glue gun. And just place them various spots on the Let It Snow. Sorry for my hands, you guys. I have paint all over them. Okay, so we're going to place our last one there. That's pretty. And now we're going to take the blue snowflakes and we're going to hot glue them to the bottom of our board piece. Okay, so we're putting the first one down. And I'm not sure if they stick or not. I just hot glued them down. I'm going to put it all the way across. That's our last one. So pretty. Okay, now we're going to take our Let It Snow and we're going to hot glue some of the words on the bottom and some on the W. and just hold it into place. I almost let it go too quickly and it almost fell. But now it seems like we've gotten it stuck on there. Okay, so now we're going to take the jingle pieces that I had painted and we're going to put them on the back of our Let It Snow so it can keep it secure so it won't fall over. I'm just going to put some hot glue on here. And then the last one. Okay, there we go. Alright, so here's our first one with the Christmas bell. I like the way it turned out. I love the Hobby Lobby paper. And I love our Let It Snow. It turned out so pretty. And it's something that you can transition into your winter decor even after Christmas. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you always know when I upload a new video. And also, Mona's Market, contact me. You're the winner of my 100 subscriber giveaway. Bye.